Over the next couple lessons, we're going to be taking a look at what are known as variables. And this is the most important part of programming. A variable is, by definition, a reference to a storage place for a program that holds data. So as we begin developing the program, we're going to declare variables that become references to information that we're entering. So when the computer stores that information, it knows where to go. A variable is very similar to an address for a house. Every house, whether it exists or not, does have an address. When you're building property, all the different locations have addresses and are able to be used. So a variable would be declaring where that address is located. Let's look at a real simple example. You are used to this from algebra class. I'm going to increase my font size a little bit. I'm just going to look at x plus 3 equals 5. You know that in order to solve it, the first thing you need to do is subtract 3 from each side. And grab the right key, that'd be great. If this is a little different than your way your math teachers have taught you, I am sorry. This is the way I learned it. And then you come to know that x equals 2. Program variables work very similar. We are able to manipulate them. We are able to change information inside of them. We are able to redefine them. Think about in algebra class how every time you do a math problem, you redefine what x is. We're able to do the same in program, but oftentimes we're also going to be keeping the same value. So think about what you've done with variables in math class, because we're going to be doing very similar things to what you did with them in Algebra 1 in this class. We're going to be giving them initial value. Make a list here. We're going to give variables initial value. We're going to manipulate them. And then eventually what we're going to want with them at the end is use them to find results. So we're going to find the desired results that we want. We'll start off real simple with a couple little fun activities, but as we get into deeper programs, the math will not get harder, but thinking about how we're using the variables will. So while you continue to work on your independent projects over the next couple days, we're going to be learning about these variables and how they work inside Visual Basic.